program. Ito ay kanta ng
So, bata ko.
ito guys, ang ALSE.
Merry Christmas!
Hindi ko ito napansin.
Sabay gano'n? Ang laki-laki ko po kayo. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
127 para sa kanilang performance.
Pero bakit parang ayan. Magbayad muna tayo ng registration guys.
Are you guys ready to be entertained?
Magbayad ako ng registration.
Please welcome batch 127.
Ayan ang sa labas guys.
Ayan, sige. Sa harapan.
Ayan, iharap ko dyan para performance na nila.
Lahat, pag sinabing batch 127, batch 127, lahat kayo mag-perform. Kasama si Sir R. Hindi pwede, hindi kasama yan. Hinain. Walang maiiwan, lahat kayo sasayaw. Just have fun guys, huwag kayo masyadong stress, sabayaw lang kayo. Kayo ang pina kayo. We would like to acknowledge the arrival of James Mercado of
Mag-perform sila guys.
Welcome all. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much. Everybody, ready na po kayo? Music, please.
Sasayaw na sila guys, kaya lang natakpan. Sandali.
Wala ka rin mga kamay dyan?
Parang...
Uy, dapat na doon!
Nood lang kayo guys, ako ay busy pa. Basta ano ko lang. Hindi pa. Mixed cuts naman to. Mixed cuts pala sila guys. Ang MC ay Tabasco, batch 30.
So for our next for the one program. Okay. Hello tayo. Ready na po tayo kaminig? Okay. Let us all hear our inspirational message from
Ang nagsasalita ay si Sir Eduardo,
Shepherd
siya ang founder
batch of
ng
alumni,
ALC.
and also to take this opportunity to congratulate in advance the incoming officers for the association.
Iikot ko kayo guys, iikot ko para
As you know,
kukunti ang umaten, mas marami last time. Last year hindi ako naka-attend dahil umuwi ako. Tapos ngayon, nasa batch 1 to 7 na tayo, marami na. Pero kukunti ang umaten. Wala si Raksayo at saka si Liza Hart. Hindi sila pumunta. May sarili din silang party. Hello, mag-hi kayo. Anong batch? Anong batch po? Batch 16. Batch 16. Sila ang batch 16. Una sila eh. Sila ang pinakauna. Registration area. Ano pong batch din?
As we move forward in
16.
2025,
Ah,
we're
27.
exciting
Mga nauna sila. Kasi batch 30 ikaw.
because we want to organize culture building workshops. In other words, we try to organize a seminar or a workshop, as we call it, to be able to strengthen
Yan. Iharap
para
natin yan.
palakasin natin ang pakikipagugnayan
Marami-rami
at
din.
pakikipagtunguhan sa isa't isa.
Marami din ang umaten guys. Pero mas marami last time. Nung kami ang
We'd like to pilot this with Rocco
Nag-graduate.
and Rapid as we bring our facilitator, Nino of Maintindihan natin kung what a good voter is and what voters education means. Dinadala natin yung mga materials dyan. Sana maibahagi ng Alumni Association and others itong mga materials ito that has been prepared previously. Isinare din natin yan sa batch 1 to 7. So,
Batch 1 to 7 na.
looking forward,
Ay, sila pala ang nag-perform kanina. Batch 127. 1 to 7.
thus, that the answer of life program will also be a way to enrich. We offer other programs. We have the education information course.
Busy na sila. Kasi lunchtime na. Late ako dumating. Dumating ako mga 20 minutes ago. Or, hindi, 30 minutes
This is
ago.
another 6-month course for deepening, for leadership deepening and spirituality deepening. Pangpalain ng ating
Busy-busy ang
spiritual
lahat.
foundation bilang leader. So that's what we call the Ignition Formation course. Today, we have 5 batches already done.
Ang dami. Lahat,
And we're going
halos,
to start batch
sa
2020.
marami ng batch. Ito na ang pinaka 127 batch na ang natapos sa
course,
DLSE.
which will also be piloted next year, but this will be a shorter track.
Dito tayo sa Pier 9. Okay guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Abangan ang part 2. Salamat.
Ito ang
Bye-bye.
leadership competence.